Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this reverse rewind effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As you can see here, I've got this video clip on my timeline. And now what we're gonna do is just hold the Option or Alt key on your keyboard, and then just drag it like this clip, to duplicate the clip on our timeline. And then right click on the duplicated clip, and then select Change Clip Speed. Look for the reverse speed option, check the box, and then click Change. At last, add some sound design to sell this effect. Just like so, you've made this quick and simple reverse rewind effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!